Hey guys, happy Teej to everyone. So, this look is especially for the Teej festive season. This is a very elegant and glowy look.
When I'm doing my makeup, I don't want my, you know, hair मेरे face पे आए. So I have already washed my face. So I'm going to use the toner. So for the toner, I'm using the Last Natural Cucumber Mint. I'm going to be using this on this cotton pad. I'm going to spray on this cotton pad and apply on my face. मैंने ये लिया था Amazon से, and this toner is really good for people who have acne. You can try this one. So next I'm going to apply this Lakme Absolute Skin Radiance Cream. I love this cream. This is so good. You can also use this cream as a night cream, but मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. So I definitely recommend this Lakme Radiance Cream. It's really good and it will give you a little bit of a shine to your face. Not shine, actually, you can say a little bit of a glow. See the glow? It's glowing. I'm going to be doing the same thing for my eyebrows, which I always do. तो मैं अपने आई बेस के लिए यूज़ कर रही हूँ वेट एंड वाइल्ड का फोटो फोकस कंसीलर. इसे अपने आईलिड में लगाऊंगी. आई थिंक फिंगर से बहुत इजीली ब्लेंड हो जाता है, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग फिंगर. आप कोई भी प्रेस पाउडर और एनी लूज पाउडर, आप कोई भी पाउडर यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपने बेस को सेट करने. आई एम यूजिंग दी Essence Compact Mattifying Powder. Then for my eyes, I'm taking the Kylie Peach palette and I'm using this shade over here. I think this is the cinnamon shade, I guess. This is the cinnamon. So now I'm just going to blend this nicely. I really love this shade. It's a really beautiful shade. I can also keep it like this, but I'm going to apply a little bit of a shimmer on top of this so that it will give the complete look. As I'm doing this look for the Teej festival and I really want, kind of bright eye, bright lips. And then I'm going to apply this shade. This is the Duchess or Duchess, I don't know. I'm using Glamour Lashes from Adele. For the foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation और ये है Golden Beige shade. With the help of this beauty sponge, ये मैंने Krylon से लिया है, आप purchase कर सकते हैं. It's super affordable and it's really nice to blend your foundation. Next, for the concealer, I'm using the Wet n Wild, this is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, और मैं इसे अपने अंडर आईज में लगाऊंगी just for the highlight, forehead, corner of my lips, and also on my chin. And then for the contour, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Duo Ended Contour Stick, and I'm just going to contour my jawline on my bridge of my nose. Use the same essence powder. So for the blush, I'm taking the Blush Plus Bronzer. This is the Profusion palette, and I am just going to take this shade over here. This looks like a coral shade, I guess, and apply on my cheeks. This is the highlighter, and this is from the Instant Glow Shimmer Brick highlighter, and it really has a pretty shades. Just going to take this first top shade. So this is the lipstick I have bought from the Amazon, and this is the Palladio Matte Velvet. This is matte, yeah, this is matte velvet cream lip color, and this is in the shade Pain. I don't know, मैंने सही से pronounce किया, it's Pain or it's Pan, don't know. So I'm just going to apply this on my lips.